Yellow Brothers. James, you're causing a disturbance in Beverly Hills. Please be careful.
Oh my god!
That downshift?
What? That thing's an absolute tank.
This guy's like, I have to park this?
Wow.
Oh, we gotta go for dinner. Bruce Wayne just arrived.
That's insane. Hasta la vista, boys.
Later. Oh, these fucking guys. Dude, this place is wild. I've never been here. So how do you pronounce it?
Nusret.
All right. Salt Bay. Salt Bay's restaurant.
There you go.
This is crazy, bro. Dave, in for a treat, brother. That's how the old fashions are presented, eh?
Beautiful.
Wow.
2 rings.
Just getting back to the hotel. Dave and I are beat. It's been a long day. But thank you to Alex for taking us for dinner.
That was amazing. Thank you, Alex.
That was amazing, Alex. You're the fucking man. And if anybody needs an exhaust,
Salt Bay?
if anybody needs an exhaust for their Aventador, hit up Gintani.
Or a fuel pump from McLaren.
Yeah.
Hey, guys.